Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by my hair and by the title of this video, today I'm going to be detangling my curly hair. As you can tell, it's very matted, so yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing I do before I start is just wet or damp my hair, so I'm not detangling my hair on dry hair so it doesn't cause any breakage. And then I do begin by parting my hair in half just so I can focus on each half more thoroughly. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, all day, 24/7. So once my hair is parted, I just run my fingers through my hair just to finger detangle my hair and make sure there isn't big knots that will either hurt or just cause breakage if I do it with a brush. You pressed about that nigga with your friends say G63 is what your business say. I'm so happy you ain't listen to your friends, babe. You can tell me how you want it, how you need it, I don't mind. Need you right here by my side, cause out of sight is out of mind. And out of spite you hit the climb, but I was. So once I finger detangle my hair, I just get a moisturizer. This is the Umberto Gianni moisturizer and it will be linked in the description bar below. So I just run it through my hair and make sure it's covered, and at the same time finger detangle just a bit more in depth just to make sure there isn't bigger knots and each strand is covered with the moisturizer. You be throwing that shit back like it's a Thursday. I be treating you like every day your birthday. So usually to detangle my hair, especially when it's very tangled, I just use a paddle brush and I start from the bottom and work my way up. And whilst I do this, I just hold my hair so it doesn't pull on my scalp and doesn't irritate my scalp. But usually if my hair isn't too tangled, I do use a Denman brush first if I can. I got $1 million in the stash for a wedding. If you ready, let me know, cause it's whatever. So as my hair is very tangled, this half of my hair I've had to split it in half again just so I can work my way through and it doesn't hurt me or anything. And all my ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. Yeah. I'm talking about Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Tell me how you want it, yeah. Call me and I'm on my way. Tell me that you need me, yeah. I'll give it to you night and day. I'm talking about Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, all day, 24/7, yeah, all day, 24/7. Tell me how you want it, yeah. Call me and I'm on my way. Tell me that you need me, yeah. I'll give it to you night and day. I'm talking about Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, all day, 24/7, yeah, all day, 24/7. Loving the shit out you, fucking the shit out you. For 7 days straight, and now I can't live without you. And if we ever broke up, I won't have a kid without you. You forever in my heart. I won't forget about you. I be crushing you on Monday like it's Wednesday. You pressed about that nigga with your friends say. G63 is what your business say. I'm so happy you ain't listen to your friends, babe. You can tell me how you want it, how you need it, I don't mind. Need you right here by my side, cause out of sight is out of mind. And out of spite, you hit decline, but I was hype.
So once my hair is fully detangled, I just get a hydrating hair mist, and this one's by Flora. And I just make sure my hair is fully covered with this hair mist to keep my hair hydrated.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, all day, yeah, yeah. 24/7, yeah, all day, yeah, yeah. 24/7.
So finally, using the Demon brush, I just work it through my hair just to make my curls a bit more defined and just seal in the hydrating hair mist that I used before this. And then at the end, I just scrunch this half of my hair and begin the next half.
Could be us, yeah. 24/7, what's the 411? When you see me kneel like Kaepernick, call a reverend. So I got $1 million in the stash for a wedding. If you ready, let me know, cause it's whatever.
Living on you in the worst way. Day on anniversary. Want the suit up on my birthday. Cause I know they keep you thirsty.
So since I've already shown you guys the first half, I'm going to speed up the second half of my hair that I did do. But it's exactly the same steps that I done with the first half of my hair.
Yeah, yeah. I'm talking about Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Tell me how you want it, yeah. Call me and I'm on my way. Tell me that you need me, yeah. I'll give it to you night and day. I'm talking about Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, all day, yeah, yeah. 24/7, yeah, all day, yeah, yeah. 24/7, tell me how you want it, yeah. Call me and I'm on my way. Tell me that you need me, yeah. I'll give it to you night and day. I'm talking about Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, all day, yeah, yeah. 24/7, yeah, all day, yeah, yeah. 24/7.
Loving the shit out you, fucking the shit out you for 7 days straight, and now I can't live without you. And if we ever broke up, I won't have a kid without you. You forever in my heart. I won't forget about you. I be crushing you on Monday like it's Wednesday. You pressed about that nigga with your friends say. G63 is what your business say. I'm so happy you ain't listen to your friends, babe. You can tell me how you want it, how you need it, I don't mind. Need you right here by my side, cause out of sight is out of mind. And out of spite, you hit decline, but I was hype. I hit your line a few more times, when you hit back, I'm gonna respond.
Tell me how you want it, yeah. Call me and I'm on my way. Tell me that you need me, yeah. I'll give it to you night and day. I'm talking about Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday.
So this is my hair fully detangled. I just give it a shake to define my curls. And yeah, that's pretty much it, how I detangle my curly hair.
24/7.
Yeah. You be throwing that shit back like it's a Thursday. I be treating you like every day your birthday. Them hoes ain't fucking with you on your worst day. I got you on a new level like what first say. When you feel down, I pick you up, put on your crown and lift you up. I put a rock all on your finger so much ice can push you up.
So now that my hair is detangled and it's moisturized and it just feels so much better, I'm just going to let it air dry for about 2 to 3 hours. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was useful. Comment down below what type of content you would like to see more of, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.